Going. Let me share link. If anyone wants to watch. Okay, let me just see the camera. Okay. Hello there. I am Harish. I am a DevOps engineer. Currently, I am pursuing BTech. I am currently in third year. Okay, and today we are going to build an AWS project. Okay, let's start with the project description. What we are going to build, how we are going to build it. Okay. Uh, okay, so I am. Am I audible? Okay, no one is here. Okay. All right. Let's start in 2 minutes. And let me share my screen. Okay. So this is the project. This is an AWS project, and so basically it is a static website which we are going to host on our AWS S3 bucket and on S3 bucket, and we are going to use CDN for low latency and high availability and security also. CloudFront provide HTTPS protocol, and also we are going to manage our DNS using a Route 53 and our SSL certificate using AWS associate certificates. Okay, and then we are going to build our CI/CD pipeline using AWS CodeBuild, CodeDeploy, and we are going to use an external API with our static website, which is going to track the views that we are getting on our website, which is going to use AWS DynamoDB. For now, I am not going to use serverless Lambda. We are just going to deploy it on EC2 instance. In the next version, we are going to obviously improve it. Okay, let's start with the. Okay, how can I see the comments? Wait a second. How can I see the? Okay, okay, it's live. Okay, okay. We will cover comments later. Okay, okay, okay. Just a second. So it's my first live. So I am saying checking things how it works. Okay. Okay, let's start building our project. Let's start building our project. Okay. Let's start with creating a bucket, AWS S3 bucket, on which we are going to host our static uh, code. Okay. Go to S3 bucket here on AWS account and create a bucket. So it has to be the same name of your domain name, okay, whichever location. Uh, I bought this domain from Hostinger, India. Okay. Copies. Okay, for now, let's uncheck this to see that our static website is working. It is it is not good because if we uncheck this, anyone can access our files, which is a bad thing. Okay, we do not want now bucket versioning. Okay. Now all good. Yeah. Okay, create the bucket. Okay, I acknowledge that. Okay, bucket is created now. Am I want to check, am I currently audible or not? Is anyone here? Okay, no one is here. Okay, we do not care. Let's build a project. Okay. Okay, our bucket is created. Now, what we have to do is to upload our static website on this S3 bucket. Okay. I already modify a bootstrap version of a website, and you can find this code on a GitHub. I will drop the link also. So it is a static website of my resume. You can see go live on our local host. This is a simple website. Okay, resume website. Okay, so let's manually upload the files. Where it is projects. Yeah. Um, let's so basically I have three files. One is index.html and another one is for the css, and third one is my profile picture. Okay, so upload them. And I already wrote the document for my the project. So we are going to follow this as if in case I forget any step. Okay, upload all files, enable static website hosting. So the one thing is about S3 bucket. It provides the support for static website hosting officially. We just have to enable the static website hosting by going in the permission section, enable, and host a static website. Okay, and index document is going to be index.html, the main entry file, and here you can put if you have any file. Okay, looking all good. Save changes. Okay, good. Okay, now let's see if our website is visible or not. It is not. Why? Let's see in our documentation why it is not visible. Enable it. 403. Why? What happened? We need to allow to access S3 by defining the bucket policy. So this bucket policy is saying that we can access this S3 bucket content publicly. Okay, so uh, you can find this documentation on my website or GitHub. Okay, so go to the permission, go to the bucket policy. Bucket policy is like bucket permissions. Who can access, how can access. Okay, so we have to provide our uh, bucket name. Okay, and here is like all the content in this bucket. Let me check the, yeah, okay, okay, okay. So we change the permission, and now let's see it, if we can view the our static website or not. Okay, so now the question is, we successfully deployed our static website on Amazon S3 bucket. So why do we need to use the CloudFront? Why? The first issue is, if we see the, it is showing the connection is not secure. It is using the HTTP protocol, not the HTTPS protocol. So this is not good. Our personal information can get lost, or anything bad can happen. And it is also not using the SSL certificate, which will encrypt our connection to the server. So first, let's see the documentation. And we also uncheck the public block public access, which can which uh, which can cause an issue that hackers can find. Hackers can access our content, and anything bad can happen. Okay, so for providing our website the HTTPS protocol, we need to create a CDN using the cloud front service. Okay, go to the cloud front. So CloudFront is an CDN. Okay, basically, it does what a CDN normally do. It cache your content. It improve your website latency. It is very fast in delivering content. Okay, so let's create a CloudFront distribution origin name. Okay, okay, we can directly choose our origin, which is our static content is hosted, which we want to serve to the end user. So our content is hosted in this S3 bucket. Okay, it is not required. Name, enter a name of this, enter a name for this origin. Okay, okay. Redirect HTTP to HTTPS, so our protocol can be secure. And let me see, cascade. Caching optimized. We do not want the firewall for this project. Okay. Choose certificate, SSL certificate. Okay. 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 Supported HTTP version. Default root object. Okay. 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 First, create the SSL certificate before creating our CDN. So to go to the certificate, sorry, certificate manager. So you have to choose the North Virginia region. The certificate will approve much earlier than the Mumbai. Okay, request a certificate. Wait a second. SSL certificate. Next. Okay. So wait. We haven't created our Route 53 hosted zone to manage our DNS. Okay, let me see. Is anyone is watching me or not? Okay. So hosted zone. What will a hosted zone do? Hosted zone. We can manage our DNS records in our hosted zone. Okay. So create a hosted zone for our domain name. It is okay. Okay, public. We want it public. Created a hosted zone. Okay. Okay. Now here we can manage our DNS records. So it already provided the name servers, the authoritative DNS servers. So you can buy the domain name directly from the AWS, or you can use a third party like I did. Sorry, I bought a domain from the hostinger. Okay, we have to change the authoritative name servers to the uh, AWS. Okay, so it is getting. Why I don't know why I open extra tab. So I'm hoping that I'm thinking that you already know about DNS, how DNS work, or I can show you how DNS work. Okay, so close. Okay, so these are the authoritative name server using which will manage the domain name and which will manage the DNS record for our website, which will be the Route 53 hosted zone. This will here we can manage our all the DNS records. It is a highly secure, scalable, and reliable service by AWS. Okay, wait a second. Okay, we okay. Okay. All good, all good. Okay, now let's create a AWS certificate for our website. So now that we are managing our domain name from AWS Route 53, it will be piece of cake. DNS, we want the validation method using DNS validation as we are using the Route 53, managing the DNS using Route 53. Sorry. Okay, and go to the request. View certificate. And the validation is pending. It will going to take it will take some time. Once it is created, we are going to create. the SSL certificate record in the Route 53. Okay, till it is creating. Let me show you how DNS work. Wait. This is my website. You can go. I have blog, nice blog. Okay. So this is very much basic. So you just type the domain name, and it is going to go to the DNS server, and it then forget Route 53 for now, and it will going to give you the IP address where the website is hosted, and then your request will go to the that IP address, and you will get the response from that website. Okay, this is simple. Let forget the Route 53 for now. So there are many. There are to five types of DNS servers. So when you type any website like www.google.com or anything, then the request go to the DNS resolver. It will search recursively for your DNS. First, it is going to check in the DNS cache, like if your website is already visited before. If your DNS is cached, then it is going to give you the IP address directly. Otherwise, it is going to the root server. Okay, root server have? Root server have the list of the top level domain name servers. Like if you try to visit .com, then it will redirect your request to the .com DNS resolver. Okay, then we have the top level domain name server, and let's say our website was .com, then then we are now on .com top level domain server. So top level domain server have the list of every authoritative name server which was registered under this .com domain, and it is going to the then it is going to go to the authoritative name server which have the record for your domain name and the corresponding IP address, and it is going to give you the IP address, and then you can visit the website. Okay, that is simple, and there are many type of you can read this blog. It is very good, and the language is very easy. The link is in on my website blog. Okay, let's see our certificate is created or not. Okay, I don't know why it is pending. It should be. Okay, my system is heated up, guys. It is like burning through hell. I don't know. Okay, I'm already using norm on this low end system. Come on. Why it is not? Why it is not granting it? I don't know, man. It is still showing me the. Okay, let me stop sharing the screen. Wait a second, I have to check what the issue is. Wait a second. Usually, it don't take this much time in North Virginia region. I don't know why it's taking so long. Certificates. Domain name is correct. Let me check the name server for a second. Name server, hold on. Oh, okay. Okay. Name server I'm matching. I didn't mess it up. I think .com.net does not. Okay, okay, all good. Why it is taking? Let's create the record. Let's see the documentation if we faced this issue earlier or not. North Virginia region, CNAME record for this in hosted zone. Understanding DNS. Okay, mustard. Come on. Okay. You know what? Delete this request and we will make another request for the certificate. I don't know why it is taking so long, man. Okay. DNS validation. Okay, 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 good. Okay, I think I created I have to delete that record for the previous. This because we deleted the certificate, that one. Come on, man. Okay, till then, we can create our CDN. Let me see if anyone have any question or not. I don't think. Okay, all good. Create a cloud distribution. Uh, so, okay. So the origin contains the content of our static website name. This is the name of the origin. We want the origin access to be public. No, 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 no. We want origin. So if we bucket must allow public access. If we do the public access, anyone can access our website directly via S3. So and using the cloud front end. So this is not good. So we want a origin access control settings. So using which user cannot access the S3 content directly, which is obviously not secure. And so the user must have to go through the HTTPS protocol of the CDN that it will provide. So origin access. So this is the matlab, it is asking for which you want origin access control. So we have to provide the name of the S3 bucket, which is in AP South 1 region. Okay, enable origin cell. Now, cache behavior. Uh, so in the viewer section, we have to check this redirect HTTP protocol to the HTTPS protocol to make our website secure. Okay, leave all the caching policies in the firewall section. For this project, we do not want the firewall. Uh, we will do this in the future video. Add item, add as location. Okay, okay. Uh, let me see our certificate is created or not. I don't know why it is taking so long, man. Okay, leave it for now. We will check. See, check it later. Root object. Okay, for root object, we have index.html, the entry point of our static website. Obviously, create the distribution. Hopefully, it should created. So it gives us the bucket policy which we have to update of the S3 bucket so that it can work with the CDN. Let's see what this bucket policy include. Let's open S3. Let me see if anyone have any questions. Okay, no one. This is my first time of going live, so I'm still learning. Okay, go to our buckets and I think in the proper no in the permission. So policy is all about first don't forget to check this because we do not want the public to give the access the S3 bucket directly. Okay, block the public all the public access. Edit the bucket policy. We do not want the previous policy to access everything directly. So okay, this policy what this say? Let's understand this. Okay, it is using CloudFront service. Okay, section is a resource condition. Okay, so only CloudFront CDN can access the content of the S3 bucket directly. Not any user can access the content bypassing the CloudFront CDN. Okay, I may be wrong, but I understand. This is my understanding for now. If I am wrong, I will provide you the correct details. Permission, okay. All good. Okay. Go to the CloudFront distribution. I yeah, distribution is creating and deploying right now. It will take some time. Okay, it will take some time. Oh, okay. Let's minimize this. Let me post our stream link to the you know LinkedIn. Why I don't know. It is not posting. Okay. We can give it nice. Nice thumbnail. Okay. And now I don't. I want this to public, not any group. Done. Post. Let's see if we can get an audience or anyone. Is it post? Is it deployed or not? No, it is taking some time. I think it is deployed. So okay, this is our distribution link. Let's see if it is working or not, man. Okay, so now if we can see that we are using the HTTPS protocol, which is secure protocol in compared to HTTP protocol. Now we are not using the SSL certificate to encrypt our network, uh, our request to the server. I don't know. Let's see it is approved or not. Our certificate. No, man. We will solve this issue later on. Definitely. Okay. So now, so this is a uh, custom URL of the CloudFront distribution. So obviously, any user cannot remember this. So we are going to use our domain name which we bought from the hostinger. How can we use this? So I think we have to use an align. We have to create record. So what are DNS records? DNS records are just mapping the DNS name to the corresponding IP address. That's all. Okay. So create a record. Subdomain. No, we do not have. I think subdomain. Huh. Route traffic to IPv4 address and some resources. So a record is about IPv4 and for time a record is about IPv6 addresses. Okay. So we want to route traffic to IPv4 address. Let me check our documentation. Create a record in hosted zone for alias to redirect. Yeah, we have to create the alias, man. And what? Alias to CloudFront distribution. North. Did we create the CloudFront in North Virginia region? No, CloudFront. Okay. So remember that CloudFront is in a global service, not a region based. Choose the distribution. No distribution found. Why it is showing the no distribution found, man? We successfully created this. It is enabled and deployed, man. And what is it? Okay. I don't know why it is showing this. No resource found. No, it is not showing. I don't know. Okay. Is this post successfully posted or not? What is happening, man? Let me check any logs for this issue. Hosting website. I found this AWS blogger. So we have to check the this blogger. I don't know what I am doing wrong, man. But analyze to one cloud front distribution and another record in the same hosted zone are globally and available only in the US North Virginia region. It is global, I don't know why. It is also global. Distribution domain name. Let's check your status. I don't think it is going to work because it is not showing that CloudFront name in that. Okay, think I don't know what's the issue here. Let's check. I don't know. Let's solve this issue, man. Security, origin, origin AP South, create origin. Wait a minute. Let's delete the AP South one origin and check if it is working. Okay, first check if this is working or not, man. No, it is not. Okay, why it is not deleting, man? Oh yeah, you cannot have the. Come on, man. Okay, we are going to fix this issue, man. Let's delete this record. We have to create a traffic route alias. Why it is showing choose distribution no resource found, man? Hosted zone. Okay. Hosted zone is global, man. All global. US East North Virginia region. Okay. Why this issue is not solved, I don't know. Let's that blog. Check the domain name. Okay. I think there is an issue here. Let's fucking delete this, man. I think there is a problem with the region. It's a region related problem. I think I don't know. I never faced this issue before. Okay, I updated the policy. Okay, let's see if our distribution is already deployed or not. Disabled, we have to delete that. Okay, it is going to take some time. Let's see if any question is on our stream. Okay, there is no question. Okay, there is no questions. No problem. What we can do, man? Okay, 2 minute, 5 minute break. 5 minute water break. I will come. Okay. Okay, bye. What bene. Ormai Let's see. Okay, camera. Okay, let me share my screen again. Let's see our CloudFront distribution is created or not. Let's delete this one. Okay, let's delete this one. I hope my voice is clear. This one is enabled. Let's see it is working or not, man. Okay, it is working. Now create alias for this distribution. Okay, we are managing our DNS record of our website using Route 53. So we will going to create an alias a name record so that we can redirect all the requests to the to this domain name to this to our domain name to the cloud front distribution. Okay, search cloud front distribution. Why it is showing no resource found, man? Why? And in fact, we already created the resources. I don't know why. Create a record in hosted. Wait a minute, I have another blog. Okay, I think there is an issue with our ARN. Let's solve distribution ARN. Okay, let's open our distribution. 519 start of the. I think our distribution ARN is good, all good, because we updated the policy when we created the new distribution. When so what's the issue then? Okay, let's check this one also. Index.html. Okay, distribution. This is good, but why it is not showing, man? Yeah. route traffic, create record for set a record, set the routing policy, and field select your distribution domain name. Distribution. Okay, let's create this one. But I don't know why it is not creating. No resource is found. There is a resource created, man. Let's cloud front distribution. No, so 53. Okay, let's debug this issue, man. Cloud solution not showing out. Your last target. Okay. Stack Overflow is amazing. Just amazing. Okay. Only air accounts and triple four time air account. I have not seen him. Distribution is deployed. Okay. Let's check it is deployed or not. It is deployed because it is displaying our website. And let's check the status. Status is enabled, man. The status is enabled. Alternate domain. What the heck is this? Okay. The route last target box matches against CloudFront distribution. Alternate domain name field. We are not creating. No. Alternate domain name values. Make sure you have set one or more alternate domain name values for your distribution. Okay. Where can I edit that, man? Alternate domain name. Okay, alternate domain name. Alternate domain. That's a CNAME record, man. Okay, let's first. Okay, this one is saying. Okay, we can just copy paste, man. Choose the distribution. What we have to copy? Okay, okay, okay. Wait a second. Copy. Create the record. View the status. Let's see if status is pending. Let's wait for him. If it is created on. I don't know why it is not showing the distribution name. Usually it's so. I think it is taking some time. And until then, see if is anyone here with us. Nobody is here. Okay. It is still pending, man. Okay, in sync. It is successful. Okay, let's check or if it is working or not, man. Sorry, Jad. Bad request. We cannot correct. What is this error, man? 403 error. Let's say do not have permission to access to on this server. Okay. Why the why the heck I do not have permission, man? I think I successfully updated the policies. I don't think the issue is with the I don't think issue is with the S3 bucket policy because we can access our website here. Our website is accessible, but our domain name is not working. Okay. Okay. Let's know this. D350. What? D30. That's right. Hmm. Okay, it will find the distribution. This solution is showing if we put a triple in the subdomain section, it will automatically find. Okay, it has sent. Sorry, my bad. It's showing. Why it is showing the bad request, man? Okay, what's the issue here? What's the catch here? It is not showing any response, man. I think, what can be the issue here, man? What can be the issue here, man? Okay, I think our name servers are not successfully set up. Let's again change. Okay, I think there is an issue with that. This only. Connect. It is showing. It is a cloud front error. So how does this domain name? So Route 53 is successfully set up. Why it is not showing, man? Okay, I remove the record. Okay, the records are working. It is not showing. Come on, what can be the issue, man? Add the name server of hosted zone. Okay, let me open my blog. Let me open my documentation to CD URL. I don't know why it is not working. Okay, let's see. Need an ARN or what, man? Okay, let's search one more time. Route 53. Okay, this is an official error, I think. Must use example.com as its alternate domain name. Okay. For the record name is example.com. Your CloudFront distribution must use an example. Okay, bhai. I think the issue is with this alternate domain name. We have to set the exact domain name, which is our website. Okay, sorry. Lotex. What is this now, man? Covered by valid SSL TLS certificate. Wait a second. Am I missing something here, man? No origin domain. Okay. origin path. Entry you want to find to the origin domain name or the origin path. Origin path. Where was that blog, man? Okay. Okay. Enter your domain name alternate. I forgot to add the alternate domain name seen and then you can select your certificate manager. So we for this to work we have to add the alternate domain name. The CNAME is redirects one URL to the another, which redirects one domain name to the another domain name. And the CNAME record we have to create the CNAME record in the CloudFront division and have to provide the SSL certificate. It's a must. It's a must. It should be validated by now. Why it is not validating? You have to create the SSL certificate record in the Route 53. Okay. Why it is not validating, yaar? It is not validating. Sorry. It is not validating, yaar. खट्टा से कुछ मीठा से मीठा नीचे से खट्टा ऊपर पहले खट्टा से कौन सी रिकॉर्डिंग है कौन सी रिकॉर्डिंग Okay. आ रही है ना चेक करिए एक बार म्यूट करा के कोसे पे कर ले मेरे को ले जा बेड पर सरो वाली वॉइस देखिए ये तो लाइव है भाई आ रही नहीं और डाल ही रहे हो पर दो बस लेट्स source certificate is successfully issued finally and where is our cloud front distribution we have to add a cname which we want to use for xyz okay now we have to create the a type of record a type of record is to map the domain to the ipv4 address and it is an aws resource so we can create an lis voice on है ना हाँ we can view the status it is pending now it should work okay wait what is happening here okay certificate why it is not working it is successful it is working why the Okay, new, so this is the new one. I think the issue was in the dot at the end of the URL of the CDN. Now it should work finally. Okay. Okay, it is working. Okay, it is in the sync. Let's see if it is working or not. Okay, why it is not working now? Okay, it is deploying. So it is going to take some time. It is deploying. I didn't see that. Just wait and watch. So after that, we are going to work on. First, we are going to build a CI pipeline for our S3 bucket, so we don't have to manually upload. First, delete the previous file and upload the new modified file. And like in future, we will obviously make changes in our S3 content websites. So we are going to build a GitHub Action CI pipeline, which will log in to the S3 AWS S3 and will delete the previous versions and upload our newer modified files. I tested this before; it is working just fine. We do not have to invalidate our cloud friend cache. Okay, I don't know why. I thought we have to invalidate the cache, but we don't have to. We will look into it and let's see if our cloud friend distribution is deployed or not. It should be deployed. No, it is taking some time. That's fine. I think I forgot to, how to open the chat, man. Okay. Okay, the customization live chat reply. I think my chat is open. It is live chat. Come on, must be deployed by now, yeah. It is taking a lot of time. Now we can focus on our code. So you will find the source code on my GitHub. I will drop the link, or you can go to my website. Uh, s- I already talked about this section. This is just an HTML website, and this directory includes the code of our view tracker API. This is built using Go language, and we are using the Gin framework, which will help us in various things. Okay, and we I also dockerize it using Docker, and yeah, that's it. I think it must be deployed. Yeah, it is deployed. Let's test it if it is working or not. That's why. Okay, it is not. Why it is not working? Custom internet domain name. What can be the issue here? Okay, first, first check our LS. Okay, what it is doing, man? What the heck it is doing? The CDN is working correctly, so the issue is with this, with our DNS records. So, I don't see the issue here. What can be the issue? Okay, read that blog again. Okay, blogs are the best way. Hosting website. Static website hosting is enabled. CNAME record. Create the distribution name, origin path, alternate domain. Okay. Research. Okay. Index default root object. Okay, our default root object is also correct. Copy your Cloudflare distribution code name and paste it in alias. Okay. I think delete this fucking record and create a new record. I don't know what is happening today. I thought this stream would be around 1 hour or something, but we faced some issue. Nothing goes as we planned. That's the life. Let- Wait for the wait for it to create the record successfully. Let's read our documentation, man. Right here. Okay, it is in sync. Okay, it is working. Finally, it have the SSL certificate. It is connection. The connection is secure using the HTTPS protocol. Okay. Okay. So our part is done. The hosting the website manually and all things done. Now we can focus on the CI pipeline for the S3 bucket. So for this public project, I'm going to use GitHub Action, which is a CI solution by GitHub for public repository. It is free, and so my strategy for this, I already written the file. So it is going to use the one2 server, and first it is going to check out the repository from our GitHub repo and install the AWS CLI and log in with the credential which I already provided into the uh, sorry. I think I deleted these credential. Okay. So for part one we will keep it that sort. Okay. Okay. So in the part two, we are going to build a CI pipeline for our static website, and we are going to build the CI and the CD pipeline for our view tracking API using the AWS CodePipeline, CodeBuild, and CodeDeploy. And we are going to deploy our Dockerized API, sorry, containerized API on the EC2 server using AWS Deploy. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.